Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is installed and up to date. This prevents missing features. Open Chrome and go to the page or Chrome app you want on the desktop. Once the page loads, make sure it is the exact tab you want. Bookmark shortcuts use that URL. You will use Chrome's menu to create the shortcut, so keep the tab active and visible. This first step completes essential prerequisites and gets you ready to create a desktop link immediately. Now you create the shortcut. Open Chrome's menu, select More Tools, then Create Shortcut. You will see a dialog to name the shortcut. Pick something concise so it fits on the desktop. If you want an app-like experience, check Open as window so the page runs in its own window without tabs. Click Create, and Chrome will place the shortcut either directly on your desktop or inside the Chrome Apps folder. If it goes into a folder, you can move it to the desktop manually. Finally, drag the new icon to the spot you want on the desktop and double-click to confirm it opens correctly. You should see the page or app launch as expected. If the shortcut is missing, look in the Chrome Apps folder or repeat the creation process. Sometimes Windows permissions or antivirus settings block desktop creation. If you get permission errors, run Chrome as administrator briefly or adjust security settings, then recreate the shortcut. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.